Okay, in this task we're going to create a survey and a set of graphs using Excel and Word. First thing we're going to do is make our survey. We're going to do that by writing our first question, which is, did you go on holiday this year? We're then going to click on the Insert ribbon, click on Table, and then make a 2x2 table. In here we're going to put the title yes and the title no, and then that gives us two more boxes for us to put our tallies in. I'm going to do this again. Question 2 is, if you did go on holiday, how did you get there? And this time we're going to go Insert, Table, 4x2. And then fill that in with plane, car, train and other. Question 3 is, on average, how many times do you use a car in a week? Again, Insert, Table, this time it's a 5x2. And we're going to write less than twice, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 plus. Question 4 is, do you ever walk or cycle to school? We're going to click Table, 2x2. Yes, no. And then the final question, question 5, you're going to make up. So that's something different for everybody. And I'm just going to write final question here and put a 2x2 table in. The final thing we're going to do to complete this questionnaire is you're going to click on Home. You're going to highlight this question here. And you're then going to press this button here, which is the number button. And then this will number that question. Again, we highlight this one, press the number button, highlight this one, highlight this one, and highlight the last one. There we go. This survey is now done and ready for you to print out and go and ask at least 5 people in your class. Once you've done that, come back. Right, now you've got your answers. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Excel and we're going to copy each of the questions and your tables across. I'll show you how to do this. You're going to highlight this one here, go cut like that, and then you're going to go here and we're going to paste. We're going to go back to Word, we're going to highlight our table, cut it, and then we're going to go back to here, put it in the next box, and then paste it. And you're going to do that over and over again. Let's make Excel bigger now. I can show you how to do this. I'm having to change the numbers because it keeps on going back to number 1, so you just click up here and then you write the proper number in there. Number 3, there we go. Just do up to number 4 and see how this is working. Again, change that so it says 4 and then just copy this across. There we go. Now there's one thing that's gone slightly wrong, which is just here, because it thinks that the 3 to 5 was actually a date. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of these. We're going to click here where it says General. We're going to tell the computer that actually that is all text, not dates. And then we can put the numbers in again and it won't change them. There we go. We're then going to fill in our survey results. So I had 5 people go on holiday this year, 3 of them on plane, 2 by car. I've got 1 person which is 3 to 5. I've got 3 people in 10 to 15 and 1 in 15 plus. And I've got 1 person walking to school with 4 saying no. Final thing to do is we're going to turn this into a graph. So to do that, we highlight our table, go to Insert, click on the bar chart option, and I'm going to start with a 2D bar chart. There we go. Dead easy. Where it says chart title, we can write our question. Did you go on holiday? And if I wanted to, I could click on these options up here and change the look of it so I could make it look quite pretty. There we go. And interesting. I'm going to do that once more. This time I'm going to do it for question 3. I'm going to go Insert. Now because I've got more than 2 options here, I could even use a pie chart. Let's have a look here. Let's go 2D pie. There we go. And again, where it says chart title, I can highlight that and change the question. On average, how many times do you use a car in a week? And again, I can change how it looks using these options up here. Once you've done all 5 graphs and all your results are in, print this off and stick it in your folder.